Oh, we have a false start. Can you believe it? In the men's C1 1000 in the second heat, so third heat, sorry. So they'll circle around. Let's have a look here. Who was it? Ooh, maybe Tarnowski, was it? Let's wait and see what the judges say. Just waiting to hear from the judges who they've decided broke the start then.
Come back to the start line.
Oh, they've given it to Catelyn Chirilla from Romania, so there you go. Not that it makes much difference. I mean, obviously for 1,000, you can take your time. You don't need to burst out of the gates like a crazy man. He looks like he's not happy. He's shaking his head. What's going on there? So he will have that in the back of his mind as he goes to line up again. All right, we're moving into position again for a second attempt to get these paddlers underway. Top 6 will go through. There are 7 in this field, so one will have to wait for the judges to, or the official timekeepers. Clean start this time. We're underway. Third heat of the men's C1 1000. Looks like it is Rudolf from the Czech Republic, from Czechia, who has an early lead at this stage. Next to him, Plomtix from Canada. Tarnowski's there. It's a pretty even race, in fact. They're right across the field in a straight line. Chirilla now starting to nose his way through, the Romanian. Rudolf still up there. Officially, they're saying Chirilla in front of Rudolf, and it looks like it is Moritz Adam from Germany. You can see him there in the white boat in the middle of the field coming through now as well. But it is Catelyn Chirilla who's now moved into the prime position. He's taken over the lead, and he will now try and take control of this race. Catelyn Chirilla, but it's a very even race behind him. A line of 5 boats, all vying for second position. Chirilla, though, looking pretty comfortable out in front. Maybe it's the German Moritz Adam who's going out after him. These athletes just trying to stick to their place, their race plan before they went out there, not panicking, making sure they're in control, making sure they know when to put the pressure on. Look at that, such a good race for second at the moment, so close. Chirilla out in front. He's about a boat length in front of Moritz Adam from Germany. going to take some catching if they wanted to get Catlin Churilla wound in, but I don't think they're worried about that at this stage. They would know top 6 will do. Top 6 will get through. No need to go mad to try and chase down that race leader, Catlin Churilla. He is looking very comfortable out in front. If anything, he's extending his lead. So Churilla in front. I think Tarnowski now maybe has moved into second, ahead of Rudolph and Adam. 250 to go. Catlin Churilla leads. Tarnowski currently sitting in second. Maybe it is Adam third and Rudolph fourth. Top 6 through though, so nothing to stress about. Catlin Churilla just getting the job done. No real challenges at this stage for the big Romanian. Even bigger distance now opening up between Churilla from Romania, Tarnowski from Moldova, Rudolph from Czechia, and Adam from Germany. They are your top 4. Let's have a look now as Churilla crosses the line really comfortably. Churilla in front. From Tarnowski, and oh, we've had a spill, but doesn't matter. I think they've already crossed the line. We've got 2 going in, have we? 2 athletes going in for some reason. Lurching for the finish line and having a bit of a spill. On a cold day, not sure that's what they had in mind. Strong, well-judged race there, as you would expect from a man who's been at the very, very top of the world, Catlin Churilla. Enjoying a good race there. Gee, it's a bit tight there for Adam Rudolph. Very tight. You've got to get your boat across the line. I think he was there when the nose of the boat crossed the finish line, so he should be okay. The judges, though, need to watch that, so let's have a look. Yeah, he's okay.